So at the end of the day, I think that looking at root cause management as opposed to symptom management causes us to say, hey, let's pull the alarm, right? We're at DEFCON 12, right? Until we solve this problem. And anybody that's a part of the existing systems that's comfortable needs to be looked at with a jaundiced eye. Because until we've taken that veteran suicide number and reduced it to zero, it's an all hands on deck problem that we have.
Indeed, indeed, yeah, yeah. We definitely need some healing in that area, but we are taking the first step. We're taking the initiative. What we're doing uh, on the economic side, and try and look, not trying, but we are providing relief on that end and providing generational wealth, and that hopefully decreases that number a little bit. Like you said, we need all of us.
I want to dovetail on something that you said there because you used the word hope, right? And when we're looking at root cause challenges, right? We as a community, us veterans, can't just look at that one finger that's pointing out at the Veterans Administration or pointing out at Congress, right? We got to look at these three fingers that are pointing back at us and ask ourselves the question: have we done all we could do? Have you done your part? Right? Are you engaged? Right? We, Mr. Hill and I, are making a patriot contribution to the solution. What are you doing? So at the end of the day, if we get all of our citizen soldiers, we get all of our true patriots to engage, we live in a constitutional republic that allows us to change the game.